Warren Harding had a dim realization that he had been betrayed by a few of the men to whom he had trusted, by men whom he had believed were his devoted friends. It was later proved in the courts of the land that these men had betrayed not alone the friendship and trust of their staunch and loyal friend, but they had betrayed their country. That was the tragedy in the life of Warren Harding. Warren Harding gave his life in worthy accomplishment for his country. He was a man of delicate sense of honor, of sympathetic heart, of transcendent gentleness of soul, who reached out for friendship in his every thought and deed.